This video chart presentation, Telecommunications Systems Inc. It's a NASDAQ global market stock, trading our ticker TSYS. Dow faded off yesterday into the close. The TSYS held the majority of its gains. See it at a high of 235, closed at 233. A little bit lower volume play, 263,000 shares traded, right about average for it. We're seeing a nice little uptrend going on in the MACD. Same time, it is making lower highs, but as it approaches that zero line, it's something that we'll keep an eye on. For the 12 to stay on top of the 26, and for the MACD to try and push through zero, move into bull chart position. A second sort of PPO ADX pinch, that's something that I always look for. It's a pretty reliable reversal pattern. See the MFIs fighting to get over top of 50, still in bear chart territory, but getting hints from things like the accumulation distribution. The true valley hasn't been made at this point, but if it can continue on an upward path, it'll show it's making higher lows. Reflected a little bit better in the shaking money flow, which is based on the accumulation distribution. Buying and selling pressure are pretty equal in this play. CCI moving back through negative 100. Bottom feeders like to see that break. Full still in oversold territory, making a curl, giving hints of some momentum trying to come into this. And it's a good thing to see the PPO starting to trend back towards zero as well. Going along with the full stow, RSIs are giving hints of momentum. See the 7 just now trying to break through the 14 and 21. So all in all, the indicators aren't looking too bad. Look like they're leaning towards the bullish side. It's also good to see that while that's going on, chart is trying to make a slightly higher low. This is a pretty key support level that I'd be looking for in this play. It does get a bottom support all the way there at 210, but I'd come back in through this area right around 225, and I'd want to see that hold. It was serving as a little bit of support. When it came off this 262 high, it held it again, and now the stock's actually advanced for the week so far. So that'd be the key area of support I'd be looking for. I'd want to see volume try and pick up, at least get up over top of 500,000. Certainly has the capability of doing that. Some real strong days trading well over 1 million shares. From a resistance standpoint, I think you have to look back to this area. 253 was support. You can see it hit the 50-day moving average at 262 right there. Came back down, fell below that resistance level. But from where this sits right now at 233, that's a pretty nice upside, adding about 20 cents a share, about a 10% move. Right now it outweighs the downside since it's so close to support. And I'd be looking for this chart and overall to try and break through that resistance level, get back over top of the 50-day moving average, and start to show some stronger strength to the uptrend to see if TSYS is finding a true bottom. You can see it still has a lot of ground to make up from these old highs around 255. I don't see it meeting a lot of resistance again if it can break through this level until up here around $3.15. And obviously that offers a very substantial upside, but I take it in strides. I want to see it break through this resistance point first. If it wants to pull back, hold that as new support level. Let the momentum and trend indicators make a shift into true bullishness and see if this chart can uptrend off of this bottom at 210. Those are the type of things that I'll be looking for in the TSYS chart. But as always, this is merely my interpretation. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.